Wah, yan first time. Saya nga. Yan sekarang pa.
Belum pernah cek kan.
Tahu tadi. Nara siapa cing-cingnya? Kacau.
Ay, sana may magsasatan tak satayan tayo.
Kini namanya kini mana? Kalau pernah kan yuk.
Boys and girls going for a picnic, I guess, enjoying themselves. Yeah, it's the Social Forestry Division, so we have to take a permit from this place. Oh, yes. Please wait. Thank you. Pool dada. Pool. The beautiful view of the Chura Peak from Najung Bazaar. Good morning, everybody. Today is the 3rd of May 2024, and today we are going on a ride to Balpakram National Park. First of all, we'll be gathering in our friend's place, that is Mr. Miller's place. We'll be having breakfast in his place, and from there we will move on. We have reached Mr. Miller's place, and we'll be having breakfast here, and we'll be going out together from here. So we'll meet you again on the road. Hi. So we have started from Miller's place, and now we'll be on our way towards Balpakram National Park. Oh, the bed patches have started. So in order to reach Bakmara, there are again 3 ways. One is via Kharongre Dimapara Gashopara Road, and one is via the international border of Bangladesh, and one is via Chokpot, Silki and Sipari. So the route we are taking today will be Chokpot, Silki and Sipari route. And this route is new to me. I have never been through this road. So let's see. And the bed patches have started again. No worries, this is adventure. This is what we love. This place is called Baro Mile, which translates to 12th mile, and from here we'll be taking a left turn. The right turn is the road leading to Dalu. So this is the road that takes us to Chokpot.
Kontingnya ba? Kontingnya ba? Ayo, anaknya bike start ke sini ya.
Look at
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chopot. And this is Chopot Market. Boys and girls going for a picnic, I guess, enjoying themselves. Wow, this is such a cool place. Okay, we stopped for a lunch in this wonderful family's place. And now we move on towards Pakmara. And so, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pakmara. This is Sumsang Dolong, or the famous Sumsang Bridge, the bridge over the mighty Sumsang River. Due to lack of rain, the rivers are drying up. Okay, now just after crossing the Sumsang Bridge, here is the Social Forestry Division, so we have to take a permit from this place. We have to enter your vehicle number, and we have submitted the form and we have got the permit. Now we are ready to go again. Road construction is going on in full swing. And just for your info, this road connects you to Shillong via Ranikor. And from here, Moheshkola is around 57 km. Ranikor will be 112, and Shillong only 232 km from here. Okay.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
This is the condition of your microphone jack when you are riding in dusty roads. White turned into brown. And this is our team taking a little rest in Romora.
Happy birthday,
Taking a jackfruit break.
Happy birthday to dear Miller. Happy birthday.
Tipram.
Ini acak mau ini konflik na gini, konflik tadi. Ini kam tuligan hai.
Ini plastik nggak ada plastik kok?
Ini kam tuligan ini kam juga. Ini di sepertinya.
Come on. Oh, ikut ini sana. Ini udah apa pun kamu.
Namen tes mga bak marani ya
How's the test?
Tibrong wa yan first time saya nga
sini.
yan sekarang pa
Aku lupa dia ceng.
How's the test? Nara siapa cinik-cingnya? Kaca plakin.
hai
Ya gelap kan nih. Cai mau kerja
Okay, let me try.
Lugar kubu kabu dah.
hai kada may macatan tak catayan hai
Kini ramai kini na. Kalau pernah ganjuk.
자자는 봐.
गुहार चिउरे खोदे केजी थोय फाला गुहार चिउरे
sochet
आरो आलू ब्रिज दाल ब्रिज जाना बिसंदे या थेब्रं बुचल माने समारे गुहार चिउरे ब्लंगेन दाम राखा
이건 달라겠어.
नेखन दाल राखिमना जाना बिसंदे निबान 칭아 गारो हिसोदे ब्लंगेन
ada sakuan ada
जेबो नाया इकोदे
아라마 삼무. 수에서 본틀링아.
kasing kali cabo
सर्विस ya macira babamu Mana?
ai ngot ada bang ko na
Very sweet.
Wai na de wiring khaju dola he de
Wiring kaya. Ya.
ngaro ngaro ai chudi ni kun ni jak udah na wan thang ha wiring
kamu tidak ke besok gini ya
대봉 저거 가나 봐.
Biar wemu
이거 봐. 소리 봐. The sun's about to set, and the sunset looks very beautiful. Here comes Miller. The planes you're seeing over there, these planes are Bangladesh. See, we are very close to Bangladesh right now. I'm getting a call, just wait. Oh, yes. Please wait. Thank you. See, we have a place that looks like Ladakh in Garo Hills. Now the good road have started again. Oh.
It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the
It's almost 7 and we are having an early dinner. This is the team. Sana pa yama?
Tom, kenapa?
dan ini lokal
Ikan dong.
wak lokal
Wak lokar. Jadi sarap jangan dekat kuda anda tak ada kuda.
Ah, ya, macam. Mana macam
We reached Mahadio at around 6 p.m. We stopped in the shop and we had dinner. We had an early dinner and we had a shower, and now it's time to rest. And tomorrow we'll be exploring Balpakram National Park. So stay with us. Keep watching the video. Thank you again for watching this video. Wallam.